Welcome to our channel Circuits Analytica. In this tutorial, we will discuss a problem on nodal analysis. For the following network, find V1 and I1. Mark the nodes of the network as P, Q and R. Mark various currents as I1, I2 and I3. Apply KCL at node P. There are three currents associated with node P. The three currents are I1, I2 and 5 ampere. 5 ampere current is incoming while I1 and I2 are outgoing currents. Therefore, we can write according to KCL, I1 plus I2 is equal to 5. I1 is equal to Vp minus Vq divided by 5 and I2 is equal to Vp divided by 3. So we can write Vp minus Vq the whole divided by 5 plus Vp by 3 is equal to 5. Rearranging the terms, we will get 8Vp minus 3Vq is equal to 75. Equation number 1. Apply KCL at node Q. There are 4 currents associated with node Q. I1, I3 and 4 ampere. So here I1 is incoming and the other 3 currents are outgoing. Therefore we can write I1 is equal to 2I3 plus 4 or I1 minus 2I3 is equal to 4. So I1 is given as Vp minus Vq divided by 5 and I3 is given as Vq divided by 4. So according to KCL, I1 minus 2I3 is equal to 4. Vp minus Vq the whole divided by 5 minus 2 Vq by 4 is equal to 4. Rearranging the terms, we will get 4Vp minus 14Vq is equal to 80. Equation number 2. So now we have two equations. 8Vp minus 3Vq is equal to 75. 4Vp minus 14Vq is equal to 80. In matrix form, these equations can be written as 8 minus 3, 4 minus 14 into Vp Vq is equal to 75, 80. According to Cramer's rule, we can write Vp is equal to delta 1 by delta and Vq is equal to delta 2 by delta, where delta is equal to determinant of 8 minus 3, 4 minus 14. Delta 1 is equal to determinant of 75 minus 3, 80 minus 14. And delta 2 is equal to determinant of 8, 75, 4, 80. So we will get delta is equal to minus 100 and delta 1 is equal to minus 810. Delta 2 is equal to 340. So Vp is equal to delta 1 by delta. So Vp is equal to 8.1 volt. Vq is equal to delta 2 by delta. Vq is equal to minus 3.4 volt. So V1 is equal to Vp minus Vq. So V1 is equal to 11.5 volt. And I1 is equal to V1 divided by 5 That means I1 is equal to 2.3 ampere. Thanks for watching Circuits Analytica. Enjoy learning.